In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Headway. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you want to sign into your account, and then when you get the access to your dashboard, this is where you can get it started. Now, the first thing you can see here is dashboard, top left. You can basically see your activities over here. You can see all your accounts and filter them between all real, demo, and archived accounts. You could also create accounts right from here, so either a real or a demo one, or you could also see your wallets in case you want to, and create separate ones as well. And then you can also do the internal transfers over here from one wallet to another one for a specific amount, and then click on transfer. Now, of course, you could also scroll down and there's going to be a bunch of different things. You'll be able to download different MetaTrader versions over here, or just open their traders inside the web trader on your browser, and here you'll be able to see their partnership programs and stuff like that. Now, up top you'll be able to see this deposit button, which basically takes you to the deposit tab, which we're going to cover in a few seconds. And then here you can also change your language, you can see your profile, verify, you can basically change your things in here, and that's pretty much all you can do inside your profile. Now, if you go to my accounts here, this will basically give you a more detailed view of your accounts. You can again filter by real, demo, archived, etc., and create the accounts as well. And then here you'll see your transaction history, and you can basically go ahead and see the different types of transactions, different statuses, time frames, accounts, wallets, etc. So this is very nice if you actually want to see your transactions you've done during a specific period. And then over here you also have the finance tab, where you can deposit, where you can withdraw, see your transaction history, do internal transfers, etc. Okay, now here, of course, this is pretty easy to use. You could just go ahead and deposit via like bank cards, crypto, etc. That's up to you. And then here you have the IB area. So if you actually want to sign up for their IB program, you can join over here right now, and you'll be able to see the progress down here, how it works, etc. If you're interested into this, you could use that too. You have the gift shop over here. You could join it if you want to. And then you have the copy trade tab, which basically gives you access to this investor area where you can choose your strategies. You can see your trader area where you can create your strategies yourself as well. And then here you'll be able to see all the different strategies, and then just go ahead, look through them, etc. Okay. Now here at the bottom, the very bottom, it says contests, and you can go to contests, and if you actually want to join an ongoing contest, you could join it. And of course there's different prize pools, winners, etc., and you have to do specific things to be able to, of course, participate in that contest. Now, that's pretty much how to use this Headway dashboard. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.